Hey techies, welcome back to another video. Hope you all are doing great. If you are learning coding and preparing for placements, then today's video is going to be extremely important for you. Tell me one thing, have you ever heard this line? Do you have a GitHub profile? Do you have a GitHub? Do you have a GitHub profile? If your answer is no, or you don't know why GitHub is important, then don't worry, this video is for you. This video is for you. In this video, you will learn what is Git and GitHub, why GitHub is important, why recruiters prefer GitHub, how to create a GitHub account, how to create a repository, and finally how to push your code to GitHub using VS Code, and as well as how to upload it directly in GitHub. So first let us understand this in a very simple way. Git is a version control tool. It helps you track changes your code and manage different versions. GitHub is an online platform where you store your code using Git. So remember this line, Git is a tool and GitHub is a platform. Okay, let me tell you how to download Git. Search for Git. Then you will see a website gitscm.com and login and install based on your OS. I am installing for Linux. Go to Windows, you will see based on your RAM, download this. Maximally it will be x64 setup. Download this. I am using Linux, so I have to use these commands to install. I am opening terminal. Then I will install. Git is already new version and Git is downloaded. For Windows you have to download this and extract the file. After that go to github.com. Okay, first you have a doubt why GitHub is important. GitHub is important because it keeps your code safe online. You can access your projects from anywhere. You can manage multiple projects easily, and most importantly it acts as your coding portfolio. Okay, now ask why recruiters prefer GitHub. Recruiters don't just believe what's written on your resume. They check your GitHub file to see your real projects, your coding consistency, your problem solving skills, and how clean your code is. So GitHub shows how you code. So let me see how to create a GitHub account. First go to github.com, then see there will be a sign up. So click the sign up, and I am continuing with Google. Choose your Gmail. After that create a username and create account. After verification is completed, you will get to this page. Then go to this right side corner navigation bar and click the profile. Now we will see this. This is the contribution table. When you contribute something, it will show some green lights here. Based upon how many contribution you have done, the color will be changed. For this I have created the account, so it shows this one. Next, if you go there, you can edit your profile, add your name and bio and pronouns he, she or what you prefer, then the details of your own, Then if you want, you can add your social media links like LeetCode, HackerRank and CodeForces. Those links you can add here, and LinkedIn as well. If you have any websites or portfolio, you can add here as well. Then we will see how to create a repository. Repository is nothing but a folder to store your code. See, Infotech doesn't have any public repositories yet. So we have to create a repository then. What is a repository? A repository is nothing but a folder, right? You will see icon here, new. First open repositories. In this, click new. After that, I am adding C problems for the name. After that, solved C problems in DSA. After that, make sure it is public, because if you put this in public, then only others can see your repository, or else no one can see. Then create repository. Now you will see your GitHub repositories link. Copy this, then I will tell you how to add files directly from the Visual Studio Code. Then let us open the Visual Studio Code. After opening the Visual Studio Code, open a folder and created a folder named as problems, and I am opening it and create a file. Here named as sample.c. Then I have created and written the code. After that, I have to open the terminal here. Then git init, first initialize, then add the file, git add space dot. After adding, we have to commit. I am making it as initial commit. After committed, I have to add the repository, remote add origin, after the URL. Go to the repository and copy the URL, open Visual Studio Code, then paste it, then add it. After adding, git branch -m main, then git push -u origin main. Then the Visual Studio Code will ask for the extension, then allow. It will take some time to GitHub authentication. Go to open the browser. It will ask for here to authorize the Visual Studio Code. Then click continue. Then here authorize Visual Studio Code. Now we have added the contents. Now let's open that, and I am refreshing. See, it is uploaded. Next, I am again opening it. am creating another file named as sample2.c. Then I want to upload it again, so git add and git commit with message adding files, then git push -u origin main. Now we have added another file. I am opening it and refreshing the repository. We have added the another file. For the first time only we have to code this much. After adding the repository, we just have to git add and dot. After that we have to commit it. After committing, we have to push the code. Now I will tell you how to add files without going into Visual Code. Instead of, we will be directly adding in the GitHub. Instead of using Git, open the repository and click add file here and upload files here and choose files here. I am opening another file. I am opening it. This file is added here. If I commit changes, see, the file is added here. And one more thing I want to let you know, this GitHub is mainly used for saving your codes. After that, the DSA problems, mini projects and placement related codes. So don't wait for perfection, just start today. If you are serious about placements or software developer jobs, GitHub is not optional, it's mandatory. If this video helped you, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching techies. See you in the next video. Until then, keep coding and keep growing.